This unique income-producing private two-story contemporary home is set up as a duplex and is ready to lease or sell. Owner financing is also available. This is within walking distance to the lake, boat ramp, and park. This has two completely separate units with private entrances. You can live in one unit and lease out the other. Upstairs is 700 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bath and living area, with a second kitchen. This is for lease at $2,000. Downstairs is 1,300 square feet and has 2 split bedrooms and 2 full baths, a living room, and a large kitchen, and leases for $1,500.00. There is a beautiful iron gate at the entrance and the entire property is fenced. There is an extra storage building and a downstairs shared laundry room. There is also enough land to build in front of this property. The original home was built in 1965 and was removed. Don't wait to tour this property. Azle School District. Shopping, Home Depot, and restaurants all within a 2-mile radius.